eastbound. On a day like this when it's windy, this is the kind of day where you definitely need to have your wind power source intact. You want to have your windmills definitely off lock, and you definitely want to utilize the power and the supreme source that it comes from. You need to live free. You understand what it is to live free? Maybe not, but I tell you what, you have all this time to know what it is to live free. Just as the sun is shining freely, we all benefit from that. Basically, that's just the other half of what Backwards Rider Fitness Power program is. See, we believe in two parts, not just the one. And so because we're a green company and we've gone green, we thought that we'd probably share that part of the day with you. So because we're just starting the day, we're going to get right back to you, but we're just going to step in the office, see what's good, see what's popping, and we'll catch you back on the beat. Backwards Rider. This training. Just remember, look up.